so I'm going to go ahead and start off with my foundation. I am mixing two foundations from Morphe. I'm mixing F220 and F2.60. I just really like how they both look together. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and blend those, mix those together, and then go ahead and blend them onto my face using the Araceli sponge. ColourPop concealer, and then I'm just going to apply this under the eyes, the bridge of the nose, the forehead, cupid's bow, and chin. And then I'm going to mix another one from Urban Decay, a lighter shade, and I'm going to apply this on top of everywhere that I just applied the concealer, just to brighten up, because I really am using the concealer just to brighten up my under eyes and all that good stuff. Then I'm just going back with the same Araceli sponge and blend everything out. You just want to make sure everything is nice and flawless. So make sure you blend everything, and then you kind of blend the bottom part as well, so it just blends into your foundation. It doesn't look like a big lighter shade under the eyes and then your foundation a different shade. So just make sure everything is really nice and blended. So then I'm just going to go ahead with some setting powder. This is the Lancome setting powder, and I'm just going to apply this all over my face. Then I'm going to go ahead and contour. I forgot that I wasn't recording, so I went ahead and applied a lip plumper. This one is from Too Faced, so that's why my lips look pink, because it's a lip plumper. I need to get my lips done because my lips are like slowly glowing down, so I have to use a lip plumper to plump up my lips. So I'm just bronzing up my face using the Too Faced. I believe this is the it's the cookie one. Let me take it out. It is the Gingerbread Tan Spicy Bronzer. That's what the one that I'm applying. And then I'm just going to go ahead and apply a little bit of blush. So I just want to make sure everything is really nice and blended. And then I'm using a MAC blush just to kind of give me a little peachy cheek. And then I just go back with my powder brush and just kind of blend everything, just to make sure that everything is really nice and blended. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start off with this color right here. I'm going to apply this on my crease. I'm just going to go ahead and layer this color on. I just want to make sure that the color goes on as smoothly and as pigmented as possible. Then I'm going to go ahead and switch with the darker blue and just apply this on my crease. It doesn't have to be perfect, because we're going to go ahead and cut the crease anyways. Then I'm going to go on top of that and mix these two green shadows, and then I'm just going to go over top. Then I'm going with the yellow shade and blend all those colors out. It's okay if we lost the intensity of the other colors. We're going to go back and reapply them, but I just want to make sure that the yellow actually pops out in this color. So I'm gonna go and retouch all the shadows again, as you guys can see. So I'm going back with the blue, then the green, and just going back and forth with the yellow, and just making sure that everything is really nice and pigment. Then I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease using some concealer and a small brush. And you just want to carve out however high you want it, or however small you want to cut the crease. So I didn't really go that high up, but you can go as high as you'd like. I just wanted to kind of not do it too crazy, because I was already going to do a bunch of stuff. Then I'm going to go ahead and add the white shadow right in the inner corner, and I'm just patting this color. I'm do a few layers. Then I'm going to go ahead and add this greenish blue shadow, and I'm playing in the center. And it was kind of stupid of me adding that color, because anyways, I went ahead and applied another color over top. Here I went with a darker green shade, but it was not like what I wanted, but I mean, it is what it is, you know. So that's when I decided to apply the blue color, but it came out purple. I have no idea why. So yeah. So I'm just going to go ahead and add the blue shadow that turned into a purple shadow. And I also thought myself that I was dipping in the wrong color, but no. I was actually dipping in the blue shade, and I don't know why it kept turning purple. So I guess just use the purple. I don't know. Anyways, I'm going back and reapplying the colors just to make sure that everything's really nice and blended. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect, because I went ahead and I added shimmer. I'm using the ColourPop palette, and I added the glitter that comes on there. I really like this glitter so much, so I just decided to add glitter. It doesn't really have to be, you know, fancy, because, you know, we were going to add glitter. Alright, so here I'm just packing on the blue shadow that I applied. And then I went ahead and apply a little bit of that purple shade as well. And then I'm just going to go ahead and apply some green. Honestly, this was kind of a fail for my bottom lash line because when I did this, it just made it turn ashy and the colors didn't blend so well like I thought they would. But I had to keep going because honestly, I was like, you know what, I just have to do what I could do to fix this. So I just went ahead and applied a little bit of concealer under the eyes and then used my sponge to kind of just blend everything out just to kind of brighten it up because I did remove the powder and then when I did my under eyes I did get some fallout, so when I did try to clean it I still ended up with a little bit of the eyeshadow on the bottom. So you can just always go back and apply some concealer and clean it up a little bit. Hopefully it works because there's sometimes that it doesn't work out for me. So here I'm just adding a little bit of powder and then I'm just going to go and blend everything out just to make sure that everything is really nice and blended. So then I just went back and make sure that everything was really nice and blended and then I retouched anything that needed to be retouched because once you apply powder and you start blending everything, you kind of start losing the intensity of all the products. And I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes. These lashes are from the Bold Face, and I'll link them down below for you guys. I do have a discount code with them, Pretty Grace, for some money off. I want to thank you guys so much for using my discount code this past month. It means so much to me, you guys. I honestly was feeling so discouraged because I know the companies that I work with are offering discounts, and it's kind of messed up because I'm over here trying to work and they're offering better discounts, and a lot of you guys have been using my discounts anyways, and it just means so much to me. It helps my family, it helps me out a lot, and I really appreciate you guys so much. So I'm just applying some highlighter. I'm using MAC Cosmetics highlighter. I'll link it down below for you guys, and basically this is kind of it. Just kind of wanted to retouch do my contour nose because I didn't really do contour. I totally forgot until I was like almost done, so I had to redo it. And then for lips, I am using Kat Von D liquid lipstick. I forgot the name of it, but I'll link it down below for you guys. It's pretty, and I think I messed up because I added gloss on it, but it still looked really nice. Honestly, I'm really into glosses right now, especially because my lips are kind of losing their plumpiness because of my lip injections are going away. So I had to add lip gloss to make my lips look a little bit bigger, and that's how I like them. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.